The Act of State Doctrine says that federal courts should decline to decide cases in which the court has to rule on the validity of foreign government actions. In W.S. Kirkpatrick and Company versus Environmental Tectonics Corporation International, the United States Supreme Court explained the doctrine's reach and limits. The Republic of Nigeria wanted to build an aeromedical center at its Kaduna Air Force Base. Harry Carpenter, Kirkpatrick's chairman and chief executive officer, arranged for a Nigerian citizen to bribe government officials to award the construction and equipment contract to Kirkpatrick. Carpenter provided the bribe money to the intermediary, who then dispersed the bribes. Kirkpatrick won the contract. The payment of bribes and the officials' acceptance of those bribes violated Nigerian law. Environmental Tectonics, an unsuccessful bidder, learned of the bribes and reported them to Nigerian and American government officials. Carpenter and Kirkpatrick were charged in federal court with violating the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, and both pleaded guilty. Environmental Tectonics then sued Kirkpatrick, alleging violation of the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act and the Robinson-Patman Act. Kirkpatrick moved to dismiss the complaint based on the Act of State Doctrine. In response to the court's inquiry, the U.S. State Department's legal advisor sent a letter to the court offering the department's opinion that judicial inquiry into the purpose behind a foreign sovereign's actions wouldn't produce embarrassment or particularly interfere with the conduct of foreign affairs. The department's position might be different, however, if a court were to determine that a foreign sovereign's acts were invalid. Despite the State Department letter, the district court dismissed the case. The Third Circuit, however, reversed and remanded for trial, reasoning that the Act of State Doctrine didn't apply to this case. The United States Supreme Court then granted cert.